Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to enable our eye care mode. Friends, you want to enable your eye care mode, so how can you enable it? In this video guys I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So now let's see how to enable eye care mode. Then guys scroll it, open your phone setting, and friends you can see this type of setting in your realme phone. So let's click on guys your display and brightness. Let's click on guys this eye comfort, tap here, and guys you want to enable your eye care, so as you can enable from here, and guys you can see your eye care mode notification. Guys you want to read, you can read. And guys when you operate phone at night, and guys when you study on phone, so you should on it your eye care mode at night guys. And guys you want to on, you can turn on from here, and guys means enable. And guys you want to change your display effects, you want to change into black and white, you can change into black and white. And guys color, and as you can see your screen color temperature guys, you can adjust yourself in your realme phone guys. You can customize yourself warm and cool color like that guys, you can adjust it. So like that guys, you can enable your eye care mode in your realme phone, and guys you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.